Hello everyone, I'm Dawn and welcome to my video where we make sense of how the world works through the lens of economics. In this first video, we will start right from the beginning. What exactly is economics? Why does it matter not just for students but for everyone? Economics is a study of how to allocate resources, finite resources, to meet people's infinite needs and wants. Essentially, it is a study of how we make choices. There is a big tension of life, scarcity. It means there isn't enough of everything for everyone to have what they want. So every society has to decide how to use what it has. Scarcity leads to choices being made. Every choice entails an opportunity cost, which by definition is the next best alternative for gone. For example, if a student chooses to spend the evening revising for a chemistry exam instead of working a part-time shift, her opportunity cost would be the wages, salaries that she could have earned that night. If a consumer, for example, spends £1,000 on purchasing a new phone instead of using that money for a weekend trip to Paris, her opportunity cost could be the enjoyment, experience, and the leisure from that trip. If a government allocates additional funding to healthcare sector rather than education, the opportunity cost might be the potential improvements in education outcomes and labor productivity that could have been achieved with that funding. And if a firm uses its factory to produce bicycles instead of electric scooters, its opportunity cost would be the profit it could have earned from selling those scooters. So you get the idea of opportunity cost and the idea of trade-offs from these examples. You see, economics is not just about money. It is about every decision we make. What to buy, where to study, how much to sleep. Governments use economics to decide how to set taxes and where to allocate funds. Businesses use it to decide prices and output quantities, and individuals, that would be us, use it to make smarter everyday choices. Knowledge of economics helps everyone decide better. Since resources are scarce, every country faces three fundamental questions: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. The answer to this question really depends on the economic system, which is a free market economy, a planned economy, or a mixed economy. We will cover those in detail later in this series. To produce anything, whether a physical good or an intangible service, we need resources, or what economists call factors of production, or factors in short. There are four main factors: land, labor, capital, and enterprises. Land owners earn rent. Labor, who put their mental and physical effort into work, earn wages and salaries. Capital owners, they earn interest, while entrepreneurs with risk-taking spirits earn profit. Among these factors, entrepreneurship might be the most important because it combines all the other resources in the right proportion to achieve productive efficiency and potentially innovation or technological advancements in the future. In economics, when we say capital, we usually mean physical capital, machineries, tools, and equipment. But there are other meanings too. Human capital means skilled labor, people with education, experience, and health. Natural capital refers to land and everything that exists naturally on Earth. Financial capital means investments like shares and bonds. Throughout this series, when I say capital, I usually mean physical capital, unless I state otherwise. So that is our first step into economics: understanding scarcity choice, and the resources that make production possible. In the next video, we will explore how goods are produced and how we classify different sectors of the economy. I'm Dawn, and this is my economics video series, helping you see the world one economic idea at a time.